Y'all ain't got no gas.
That's what I told
All
you.
this time, you ain't had no gas in it. But you know what I'm gonna tell you? I can get this thing running.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome to the restoration of project TRD. Most of the video, guys, is going to be time-lapse, so this is part one. I'm going to be taking you guys through the modification in different sections. So this is just part one. We'll take care of maintenance on this one, and then we'll change the dashboard, and then we'll be taking the cover painting, but the painting will be part two. Hope you guys are going to enjoy the video. Thank you. A filter, the slot is back in there, and we can go ahead and close that up. This our plugs, that's what we're going to change, 4 of them. And then that's where we change. This is what we use to remove the plugs so that you can reach it is Go. So when you do this, it's important that you do it one by one, because once you don't do them one by one, you're going to confuse them. So what I do, I just remove the cover there, put it aside. There's my plug in there. That's what I need to remove. Done with the plugs, we are moving on to the fuel filter, petrol filter. Right. This is our fuel filter. I'll take this, replace it with that one, and then we're good. Okay, that's what your fuel filter will look like. So we're going to take that. Just a direct swap, as you can see. So you must always be careful of the housing. The hoses that come into is the one that's the in and the out. So what you need to do is remove the one. Sure. That just clips back in there. Good as new. You pop it back. That's your fuel filter changed. Okay, so now that you're done with everything here on the top part of the engine, we're about to go under now. We can go ahead and seal this. Yeah, we will no longer need to remove it. That just clips back in there. Okay. You put that washer thing in there. Put your screw and just put it back in there, tighten it after. So now we're here, oil filter. We've already loosened it, so we're just gonna show you where it is. You just loosen that with a spanner, then you just roll it off. Alright, sure. Then we're gonna put in a new one. Let me find a new one.
One eternity later.
Yeah. So J2 our main man is the one changing the dashboard. What is this? Now it's living to better than us, okay? Open my aluminium, now put your aluminium, now put it